Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Swati Almal,
Namaste.
President of West Bengal Marketing Council, Wiki. On behalf of National Marketing Council, our social media partners and my entire team, I welcome you all to witness another inspiring journey of a woman in our series, Pehchan the Virtual Heart. By now, you all know it is an online platform where women can showcase their products and services absolutely for free on multiple social media platforms. So let us all come together, promote each other, and let's grow together. Let me introduce to the panel of today. We have Ms. Indu Gandhi, Vice President of Eastern Region Council, Wiki, Ms. Shweta Chopra, President of Haryana Marketing Council and member of National Marketing Council, Ms. Ashu Patodia, Creative and Operations Head, West Bengal Marketing Council, Neelu Jalan, who is a member of West Bengal Marketing Council. She's also Director of Kanushri Designs Private Limited and also manufacturers of saris and kurtis. We have Shilpa Jalan, who handles our Instagram account for West Bengal Marketing Council. So, Induji, I request you to please say a few lines for us.
Thank you, Swati. It's really an honor and my pleasure to be here. It's a wonderful launch by the National Marketing Council and the West Bengal Marketing Council to bring about Pehchan, the much needed platform to introduce our wonderful entrepreneurs who are doing commendable job. And it's just that we get to know them very well. We get to know what they're doing very well, because, you know, when we meet as a team and we just know little about each one, we don't get to know much about them. So I think through this platform, we will at least get to know the intricacies of the work that they're doing. And it's a wonderful platform to promote whatever the goods you're making or whatever services you're providing to the society. So a very big congratulations and all our best wishes to all of you. I'm really waiting to hear from our entrepreneur Mrinmoyi today. I know she does commendable work, and the way she's serving the society, it's really going to, you know, be really, really helpful to the inmates of the jail. So let's hear it from Mrinmoyi further.
I now welcome Ms. Mrinmoyi Sarkar, who is the President of West Bengal Jail Reforms Council, a social activist and founder of Mrinmoyis, which is known as Weaver's Companion, the Ultimate Vogue, and Empowering Empowerment. So Mrinmoyi ji, we are all excited to hear from you. Please tell us about Mrinmoyis.
First of all, I would love to speak regarding the name of this studio, Mrinmoyis. It's a namesake of me, Mrinmoyi. Mrinmoyi means a sculpture made of mud. And it is the name of Durga. And in this Navaratri, by worshipping Durga, what happens when life breathes into it, it becomes Chinmay. So the goddess becomes Chinmay after worshipping. So basically creating something from raw stage and developing into lifestyle products is what I am doing. And so the studio is named Mrinmoyis, my namesake. Basically, I am a social activist, provide skill-based vocational development, vocational training to underprivileged, so they can make their earnings out of it. Trained many village women and life convicts of the correctional homes and try to market these products for their livelihood. To do this, it needs a lot of economical support. From outside, getting the support from outside is really very difficult task. And to support my own cause, I trade and also manufacture weaved products of gents and ladies. Designing dresses and or a handcrafted product is my intense passion. To speak the truth, actually, I don't understand business, marketing, etc., blah, blah. But I believe in continuous work-related activities which will involve more people of the society. And if one keeps on going to do like this, it will definitely take a shape and will provide a support for many people. As a weaver's companion, I collect weaved saris and weaved dress materials from different provinces of India, not only West Bengal. I roam and I find out different villages. I actually personally go there, the villages, and meet them. And from there, that weaver, I buy it. For empowering empowerment, I am providing skill-based vocational training to underprivileged, and the outcome of this will give everyone your ultimate vogue. So that is what Mrinmoy is. I will start with jute, are all handmade jute bags. Okay, it's a small bag.
Yes, Mrinmoyji, we can see it. Yeah.
Yes, these all are handmade jute bags. These are more handmade jute bags of different sizes, and these are the different mats, that is table mats for for dining plates and the half plate and the coasters. Different types of coasters are there, and the tray. Okay, yes.
Yes, they're beautiful.
And these are the rugs. This is a photo frame basket, which everyone loves to buy. Many people bought from me this one. They love to use this basket. And I will say a little few lines on this. Jute is a fiber. It's a grown on the by the village farmers, and I buy the products directly from them. And then those fibers are taken out. I teach them, I train them how to make the yarns and different types of braids from those fibers. And after making those fibers, they do, I make them learn the way how to turn into some different products like the bags, mats, baskets, chairs, sofas, and saris. The saris are from different provinces. These saris are from different provinces, and from Bengal, the tussar and silk of Bengal is very, very well known in whole world. But I have seen Bangalore and the Gujarat and different provinces, they also make different types of tussar. I will show you one tussar which is made from, it's a Bangalore tussar. You just see the sari. It's a Bangalore tussar and weaved border with embroidery. Two tussar I will show you, which are made in Bangalore. So different types, and I will show you. This is from Banaras. This is from Banaras. This is with me. This is silk kota Banarasi, and it is weaved in weaved Banarasi. This is also a Banarasi, all silk kota. Okay, and this is from Banaras, and I will show you one khadi Banarasi. This is a khadi Banarasi. Banarasi weaved on khadi. This is another one. So these are all weaved saris from Banaras, from Bangalore, from Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and I can show you one organza also. This is organza weaved Banarasi. Different colors are there.
Beautiful collection, Mrinmoyji.
This is simple silk, a Bengal silk.
Really beautiful, lovely saris.
I will show you some more beautiful silk saris here. These two are Tasar. This is Vishnupuri silk is, Vishnupuri silk is very good, thick silk. These two are Vishnupuri silk. This is also Vishnupuri silk. I can show you this one. See this one. So beautiful. And from inside, it is a little different. Blouses. There are blouses. There are dresses. You can see the dresses over here.
Able to see the dresses, and we're also able to see some ornaments there, ethnic.
I'm sure.
I think tribal fusion.
I will love to share these two dresses. This two long dress is made by one of my convict, and who is already rehabilitated after coming back from jail after 7 years. And he's working with me. He's making these dresses for me. Yes. He's also already started getting his work from here, from Mrinmois. And I will show this.
That's commendable, Mrinmoyji. That's commendable. I mean, you are also financially supporting the family after they, go through such, period of reformation and transformation in their life. So
yes,
congratulations for that.
I am happy that he is making these type of blouses, and he is making, not only he is making, he is very, good tailor, very good tailor. And after making all these, I could make out how much, what a talented tailor he is. He is a very good craftsman. He made different.
And if definitely there's somebody like you, who can push their talent and see their positive side of their life, and give employment and help them, and we all can come together and buy, and then you are selling it around, and we can definitely. Yes, we can definitely be a part of this great initiative.
These are the pure silver ornaments. I think you all can see.
Yes.
Can see, or I will open it. I think you can see. This ornaments.
We can see.
These are pure silver, and these are 1 gram gold. Okay, these are the wooden sculpture made by an artist who died out of poverty. Just few months before, in COVID period, not out of COVID, he died just out of poverty. I kept his sculptures here so that this can be sold out and his family gets support. He is a wonderful artist. Everyone is, doing research on him. I knew him from very childhood days. And his works are very intricate. It is not from you can see the back side also, there is some sculpture. It is not from the front side only. This is the back side of the sculpture, and this is the front side of the sculpture.
No, absolutely beautiful. I think some of these bits are. And the fact that you've kept so much of silk, and the way you are, actually being able to point, this is Vishnupuri and this is Bangalore. I think that knowledge at your end also has, helped you kind of bring awareness for the types of work that you're selling.
Yes. And these are the different types. So these I am trading just now for the time being, as I have just now opened my store, my studio. And from last 2 days, I have promised myself, now I will not trade it. I will make it by that man only who is trying to establish himself, because he told, Didi, मुझे अपने पाँव पे खड़ा होना है, and हाँ जरूर होगा, और तुम और भी बनाओ. So this is my aim, so that I can really, Mrinmois can help them to stand by their own. So
commendable.
I think
really commendable, Mrinmoy. Lovely things you have, and so much of variety. Lovely.
So Mrinmoy, thank you so much for the lovely tour of Mrinmoy, and you have inspired all of us also to join hands, and so that we can also in some way come together and help, these people, and or otherwise join you in any way, that we will sort out. And for now, I welcome you all to ask questions. If you have any questions, please go ahead.
Moinji, I have a question for you. How can one purchase from your store? Is it you need to physically visit, or you are able to share images via WhatsApp, and it can be delivered anywhere in India?
Yes, actually, it can be delivered everywhere, but I have some logistic problem. Like I haven't connected with any person who can, in low price, I can send it somewhere.
A lot of the entrepreneurs nowadays, these kind of products, and with post COVID, now everything is visible online. Even if you share a WhatsApp image, it's easy for people to buy.
WhatsApp group, I have Facebook where I am sharing everything. I have a WhatsApp group also. Most of the time I don't share in WhatsApp group. Mostly I share in my Facebook. And now too, after starting the studio, every day I'm sharing something or the other in Facebook so that the people can see. And I give into my story also, Facebook story, to show them the products.
Sure.
So that's the end.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All your sarees are just for retailers, or for wholesale also you make sarees?
No, I make sarees for wholesale and for retail, both.
And they're all
Sorry?
All handloom.
Not all handloom. Yes, those are weaved. Yes, handloom, because these are hand weaved. So those are made in Tat. So those are handloom. Not that the particular handloom that we see nowadays. It's a very specific quality handloom. The khadi also, the silk also, and the organza, whatever it is there, linen also. Those all are I can wholesale, and I can retail also. For both way I work, for both way.
Okay.
Well, I would like to ask a question. What
Yes.
offers are there for this festive season? Diwali, then Puja.
Yes. From Durga Puja, we start our festive season till December and January. There is a lot of festivity. So there are 10 to 50% of discount over here in different products. So whatever, and if there as a the buy, I'm showing you one thing, one mat someone bought it on the first day. Can I show it just a minute? Can you see this mat?
Wow, it's very pretty.
Yes, we can.
This is 10 by 5. I sold it in 25,000, and she was gifted with some product of the store, a good product. So if the buying quantity or the amount is good, I will give some product is gifted to them. And there are discount percentage from 10 to 50%. So a lot of facilities are there.
Thank you so much, Rengoji.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Ashu was trying to suggest that you could use Indian Post for courier. Maybe, that's an option that you could explore further.
App also which helps to deliver your product.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right now, I'm
Yes,
not
that also helps.
recollect the app's name, but there is an app.
Okay.
Thank you all for joining today, and commendable, Mrinmayji. Best wishes from our side, and I thank all of you for participating in such an interesting rendezvous today. And thank you, Ashu, for supporting us technically and making this a glitch-free session. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mrinmayji. We will all connect with you. And a special note, friends.
Everyone.
Yeah, and a special note, friends, the contact details and the information of today's session will be mentioned in the description box of the YouTube and all other social media channels. Thank you, Induji. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, Neelu,
Thank you
Shilpa,
so much,
Ashu. Thank you all
Good
very
night.
much. And have a
Best
great
wishes,
weekend and a
Mrinmayji.
great Dashera ahead. Thank you
Yeah,
all.
thank
so
you
much.
everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you all. Have a good
Thank
weekend.
you.
Thank you all. Thank you
you.
all.